It's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really easy eye look for you, and I want to show you a new tool that I just discovered. It's been around for a while and you might have even seen this, but I haven't. I just recently came across this on TikTok. That's why you guys have to follow me on TikTok. If I remember, I will put my link to my TikTok so you guys can follow me on there. I'm going to try to be more active on TikTok and on my channel too, so you kind of gets, you can see me in both different places. I'm going to try to do more makeup on there. I was just having fun doing other things, but it's a hard platform to be seen, and I don't want to waste my time, so I'm just going to stick within my niche. So anyways, so it comes like this. Is the palette comes like this. Is it says Ambreezy. I guess that's a YouTuber, and I hate to say I guess it is a YouTuber. I just don't watch her channel. I saw this on the Anastasia website, and I think it's on Ulta as well. And I decided to order it because, first of all, I'm a sucker for pink and packaging. But then look at these colors, though. Bam! Beautiful colors. And I don't mind having these browns in here. Now, some people are like, oh, there's browns. I like to have that in a palette, so I'm okay with this. But I'm going to create a really fun look for you guys. I'm going to share some other looks with this palette, so I'm going to share different ways to apply it. But what I wanted to do today is use this. This was sent to me from Crease Piece. So there's a set that you get. You get this right here. Then you get the little reusable sticky tapes, which I'm going to take this one off. You're going to see me do a really easy winged crease look. I'm going to use a different one today, but I'm going to insert that so you can see. So while I'm talking here, I think we'll do that. So what you do is you have this applicator here. You have reusable tape, and hopefully I have it in front of me right now. It's a mess, yeah. So you have this reusable tape that you get with it as well. You put the tape on here, you peel it off, and then you're able to stick it on the back of this, like this. So then you press it on really good. You put it up to your, and it says which eye it's for. Okay, so this one's for this eye. This is for my right eye. You put it there, and then you'll see in the video that I'm going to apply the shadow right up there. Really easy to use. So if you're someone that you just, no matter what I've shared with you or anybody else, you just have a hard time, this might be a really, really nice, easy tool for you to use because it just helps you do the work. So you just place it on there, and you just take your brush, apply it, and there you go. And you can go up further out than I went to with this. I know some people go way out. I don't do that, but it is really, really nice. Now the other applicator that they have, or the other eye ones that they have, eye attachments, if you will, are these. And I'm going to, so you can do a round or you can do an almond. So my eyes, I would say, are more almond than round eyes. So I am going to use the almond, and I am going to get the right one, and I need to peel. See, it's going to peel off here. But these are extra ones, so when it doesn't stick anymore, okay? So I just put it right on like that. So this one is going to be for my left eye. So we'll do my left eye first, and then we'll do my right eye. And I am going to go in and I'm going to use this shadow. So I'm going to place this on my eye like this. And I already have primer on, so you can see a primer is this color right here first. So this is going to help you get your crease. So you place it just like that. So I'm going to just go in here like right there. So if you're someone that you just, no matter what you do, you just can't get your crease right, this is a great tool. Do you see that? I mean, you can't get any easier than that. Put it back down like that. And it just helps you to create really easy eye looks and just makes it easier for you. See that? Now I know how far out I want to go with my other color. So now I'm going to go ahead, now that I've got that color down, which is, I use this color right here. So now that I got that, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this color right here. So I'm going to take my REPHR brush number 12, see how it's the shape of it. And I'm going to go in with this shadow right here, which I can't read because I don't have my glasses on. And I'm going to take that and I'm going to go right here with it, right on the outside corner, like that. And get a little bit more. Now normally I don't have my false eyelashes on, but I did another eye look, so that's why I have them on, just so you know. And what's nice about doing it, you're using that too, it's like, it kind of creates a guide for you too. And we're going to blend it so it's not going to look like just a line, okay? I want to make sure, by the way, what I love about her colors is you can tap your brush in there and you get color payoff. That's why this is one of my favorite formulas still. It really is. I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to blend it, keeping it on the outside here. I also want to blend it up here a little bit. You want to soften that. I'm going to take a little bit on this brush because I just want to get right under there. There we go. But I want most of that dark color on the outside corner there. Now I'm going to go in, and this color might scare you, but it's going to be okay. I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this color right here. This isn't the only color I'm going to use. We're going to lighten this up, but I want to add a little bit of depth in here, because if I don't, then the color is going to be too sheer. I just want to deepen a little bit, and then I'm going to go in and lighten it up. So I'm just putting it on my lid. See where I'm putting it? Right in my lid. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to take this color right here and a little bit of this color underneath it. Kind of mixing the two. And I'm going right there. So I just want to blend this out now. Blend this all around. So what I like about this tool is I feel like it makes it a lot easier for someone that's just not comfortable. Like I'm comfortable not using it, but I do like the way it looks today too, because I feel like it made it even nicer than what I normally do. So it's just a nice tool to have. Look at how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? But look at how that lifts your eye. So let's do it on the other eye. And this can't be any easier. So I'm going to take it off. And now I'm going to take my other attachment, peel off. So when you get it, you're going to get it like this where the adhesive is on it. But when it gets to be not so sticky anymore, then you have replacements. Put this on here. But see what's so nice is you're not going to go too far out. It's going to put it where it should go. Isn't that? And take that purpley color again on the outside here. And we know where it ends because we can see where that ends. I've used some of the brown colors in here, but I just want to do something a little bit different. Yeah, this is the first Anastasia palette that I bought since 2019. I mean, it's been a couple of years, I think. Like, there was just so many palettes coming out. It was ridiculous. And it really turned me off. And I think it turned a lot of other people off. Now she's not coming out with as many, and I'm back on track. You know what I'm saying? And I'm still going to blend this crease up here, so don't you worry. Now I'm going to take these two colors here. I mean, this is really easy, you guys. This is not a hard look. Oh my gosh, look at that color. Oh my god, I love this combination. It's so pretty, isn't it? Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and we need to blend this. Need to blend it. When you use the crease piece, you're not going to get shadow on the outside. It's going to place it right where it needs to go, because you're going to have the guide from up there. I really like this tool. I'm going to use some in this. I wish they sold these separately, but I don't think that they do. Let's see if I can find it on Amazon. I'll see. There was somebody selling them on Amazon individually. I'm going to take this lip liner is really nice. This is from Persona and I'm loving it. Dusk. So this is the color Dusk. It's a very similar color to Pillow Talk. And there, look at these colors. I think I'm going to use the color. I'm going to use this color. This is the color Undressed. Kind of ugly. We're going to fix it though. Kind of ugly by itself. Saint Tropez. I'm going to put this on top. Oh yeah. I like mixing colors, as you can see. And I get my own custom color. How pretty is that? Just using those two colors. It's my final look. I think it's really pretty. Please don't tell me I look like I have pink eye. So anyways, I really do like this crease piece. Again, I think if you're somebody that just has a hard time applying shadow to your eyes, you're really going to like it. So they have the almond shape, they have the round eye shape, and they also have one to do a winged shadow as well. And you saw the video of me applying it using that. So really do like this. Thank you so much, Crease Piece, for gifting this to me. This is so nice. Definitely going to use that. Definitely recommend it. Love this palette. I've used a lot of the shadows in here. You know which ones I've used already. I've used some of the brown shadows. I have not dipped into this blue yet or this glitter. And I don't think I've used this glitter yet either. I haven't used the two glitter shadows, but I definitely want to play around with this. But I think this is a really pretty palette. So if you're looking for some new palette and you want some different colors, it's really a nice palette. I really do like using it. I've enjoyed using it. I haven't had any weird issues with any of the shadows that I've used so far. This isn't a review on it. I don't do reviews or I do swatches and all that kind of thing. I'm just telling you after using it now for several days that I do really enjoy using this, and I think you can create a lot of different looks for it. So really like this. Again, this is the first Anastasia palette I've bought in a long time, but I'm so glad that I did. I've tested some other eye palettes lately. They've been crappy. This is the first winner for me in a while as far as eyeshadow palettes. Besides the Dior, love the Dior one. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Would really appreciate if you would share it. You can follow me on all of the socials, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. So what I like about that tool is where'd it go? I love my neighbors. I really do. Hopefully you can't hear it on camera. This is why I want to start filming at 2 in the morning. Okay, so this was sent to me from CREASE. Okay. Hey, it's Annie, and welcome back to my channel. Oh God, let's see again. Hey, it's Annie, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing a quick little and here, let me just tuck my hair. I will get a comment about it. Yeah. And I'm going to take my so you're not going to get, when you use that crease piece,